Think you've seen all the best camping gear? Think again. In this video, we're uncovering 45 secret Amazon camping gadgets you need to check out, hidden gems that most campers have never heard of. From smart survival tools to insanely clever camping hacks, these gadgets are designed to make your trips easier, safer, and way more enjoyable. Watch till the very end because some of these secret finds could completely change the way you camp. Number 1. SOARAISE Solar Power Bank. SOARAISE Solar Power Bank is designed for outdoor adventures and emergency backup power. It features solar charging support, multiple USB outputs, and a rugged, weather-resistant body. Ideal for camping, hiking, or travel, it keeps smartphones and small devices powered when outlets aren't available. Compact and reliable, this power bank adds convenience, safety, and peace of mind during extended outdoor trips. Number 2. OLIGHT I3T EOS Flashlight. OLIGHT I3T EOS Flashlight delivers impressive brightness in a slim, lightweight design. Powered by a single AAA battery, it offers reliable illumination for everyday carry and outdoor use. Its durable aluminum body resists wear, while the pocket clip ensures easy access. Perfect for camping, emergency kits, or daily tasks, this flashlight balances portability, durability, and dependable lighting performance. Number 3. SKG Neck Massager. SKG Neck Massager provides soothing relief from neck and shoulder tension using advanced pulse massage technology. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably around the neck, while adjustable intensity levels allow personalized comfort. Lightweight and rechargeable, it's suitable for home, office, or travel use. Ideal for stress relief and muscle relaxation. This massager promotes comfort and relaxation throughout the day. Number 4. Lepro LED Headlamp. Lepro LED Headlamp offers hands-free lighting with multiple brightness modes for outdoor and indoor use. The adjustable headband ensures a secure, comfortable fit, while the lightweight design reduces fatigue. Ideal for camping, hiking, repairs, or emergencies, it delivers bright, focused illumination. Durable construction and long battery life make this headlamp a reliable companion for various tasks. Number 5. OLIGHT Marauder Mini Flashlight. OLIGHT Marauder Mini Flashlight combines high output brightness with versatile beam control, featuring both flood and spotlighting modes. It adapts to different outdoor needs. Its rugged build ensures durability in harsh conditions, while the rechargeable battery supports extended use. Ideal for camping, search tasks, and emergencies, this compact flashlight delivers professional-grade performance in a portable form. Number 6. PAC Camping Sleeping Pad. PAC Camping Sleeping Pad provides comfort and insulation for outdoor sleeping. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to carry, while the cushioned surface supports restful sleep. Designed for durability, it resists punctures and uneven ground. Ideal for camping, hiking, or backpacking. This sleeping pad improves sleep quality and enhances overall outdoor comfort. Number 7. ANERIMST Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker. ANERIMST Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker delivers clear sound with strong bass and a rugged, portable design. Built for outdoor use, it features water resistance and long battery life. Easy wireless connectivity allows seamless music playback during camping or gatherings. Compact and durable, this speaker enhances outdoor experiences by combining reliable performance with convenient portability. Number 8. IPROUDER Campfire Pie Iron. IPROUDER Campfire Pie Iron allows easy preparation of sandwiches, pies, and snacks over open flames. Its long handle ensures safe cooking, while the non-stick surface enables effortless food release. Made from durable materials, it withstands high heat in outdoor conditions. Ideal for camping and backyard fires, it adds fun and versatility to outdoor cooking. Number 9. LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern. LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern offers eco-friendly lighting powered entirely by sunlight. Lightweight and inflatable, it packs flat for easy storage and travel. With multiple brightness modes, it's ideal for tents, campsites, and emergency situations. Waterproof and durable, this lantern provides reliable illumination without batteries, making it a practical choice for outdoor adventures. Number 10. Play Tailor Picnic Table Cover Play. Tailor Picnic Table Cover protects tables from spills, dirt, and weather exposure. Designed for outdoor use, it fits securely over standard picnic tables and benches. The durable, wipe-clean surface ensures easy maintenance. Ideal for camping, parties, and family outings, it enhances cleanliness while adding convenience and protection to outdoor dining setups. Number 11. ASTNES Survival Kit. ASTNES Survival Kit is a compact and well-equipped emergency kit designed for camping, hiking, and outdoor adventures. It includes essential survival tools like a multi-tool flashlight, fire starter, whistle, and first aid items. The durable carrying case keeps everything organized and easy to pack. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for beginners and experienced campers alike. This kit helps you stay prepared for unexpected situations and adds peace of mind during outdoor trips. Number 12. BESTHLS Double Camping Chair. BESTHLS Double Camping Chair offers spacious and comfortable seating for 2 people. Its heavy-duty steel frame provides strong support, while padded fabric ensures long-lasting comfort. Built-in cup holders and storage pockets add convenience for camping, picnics, or beach outings. The foldable design makes it easy to transport and store. Ideal for couples or families, this chair combines durability, comfort, and practicality for relaxing outdoor moments together. Number 13. UZOPI Rechargeable Hand Warmers. UZOPI rechargeable hand warmers deliver fast and consistent heat for cold outdoor conditions. Featuring adjustable heat settings, they provide long-lasting warmth with a single charge. Compact and lightweight, they easily fit into pockets or gloves. USB rechargeable design makes them eco-friendly and travel-friendly. Perfect for camping, hiking, winter sports, or daily use, these hand warmers offer reliable comfort and convenience during chilly adventures. Number 14. Slinky Stove Smokeless Fire Pit. Slinky Stove Smokeless Fire Pit creates efficient heat with minimal smoke, making outdoor fires more enjoyable. Its innovative airflow design promotes complete combustion, reducing ash and smoke output. Compact and portable, it's suitable for camping, backyard gatherings, or emergency heating. Durable construction ensures long-term use. This fire pit provides warmth, cooking capability, and a cleaner fire experience, making it an excellent upgrade for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 15. Kizun Solar Lantern. Kizun Solar Lantern offers reliable lighting powered by solar energy. It charges during the day and provides bright illumination at night without batteries or fuel. Lightweight and collapsible design makes it easy to pack for camping or emergencies. Multiple brightness modes add versatility for tents, pathways, or outdoor gatherings. Eco-friendly and easy to use, this lantern is a dependable lighting solution for off-grid adventures and power outages. Number 16. Fly2 SKY LED Tent Lamp. FLY2 SKY LED Tent Lamp provides bright and energy-efficient lighting for camping tents and outdoor shelters. Its compact design includes a hanging hook for easy installation inside tents. Long battery life ensures extended use during nighttime activities. Durable construction resists outdoor conditions, making it reliable for camping and hiking trips. Lightweight and portable, this lamp enhances visibility and comfort, creating a safer and more enjoyable camping environment. Number 17. Klimas Telescopic Camping Light. Klimas Telescopic Camping Light offers adjustable height and powerful illumination for outdoor use. The telescoping design allows flexible lighting coverage for campsites or work areas. Rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, while durable materials handle rugged conditions. Compact when folded, it's easy to transport and store. Ideal for camping, emergency use, or outdoor work. This light combines versatility, brightness, and convenience. Number 18. OLIGHT Camping Cookware. Said OLIGHT Camping Cookware set includes essential pots, pans, and utensils for outdoor cooking. Lightweight aluminum construction ensures fast heating and easy portability. Non-stick surfaces simplify cooking and cleaning. Compact nesting design saves space in backpacks. Ideal for camping, hiking, and backpacking trips. This set allows you to prepare hot meals efficiently. A practical solution for outdoor enthusiasts who value convenience and functionality. Number 19. Rolling Grill Basket. Rolling Grill Basket makes grilling vegetables, seafood, and small foods easy and mess-free. The rolling design allows even cooking without food falling through grates. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists heat and rust. Comfortable handles provide safe control while grilling. Ideal for camping, backyard barbecues, or outdoor cooking. This basket adds convenience and improves grilling results with minimal effort. Number 20. UZOPI Silicone Griddle Mat. UZOPI Silicone Griddle Mat protects griddles and cooking surfaces from grease, scratches, and spills. Heat-resistant silicone material ensures durability during outdoor cooking. Easy to clean and reusable, it simplifies maintenance after meals. Flexible design allows easy storage when not in use. Ideal for camping griddles or home kitchens, this mat helps keep cooking equipment clean while extending its lifespan. Number 21. Lafayette Arc Lighter. Lafayette Arc Lighter is a compact, rechargeable, and flameless lighter designed for outdoor use. Its plasma arc technology provides a reliable, wind-proof spark, perfect for candles, stoves, or campfires. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits in pockets or backpacks. USB rechargeable design makes it eco-friendly and convenient, ensuring you never run out of fire while camping or traveling. Number 22. Nexi Camping Fan with Light. Nexi Camping Fan with Light is a versatile outdoor gadget, combining cooling airflow with LED illumination. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits in tents or backpacks. The fan provides a refreshing breeze while the integrated LED light brightens up your campsite. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and rechargeable batteries make it energy efficient. Perfect for camping, hiking, or backyard adventures. Number 23. Lepwing Solar Camping Lantern. Lepwing Solar Camping Lantern is a sustainable, lightweight, and foldable lantern for outdoor adventures. It charges via solar energy or USB, making it convenient off-grid. Its bright LED light illuminates tents, campsites, or picnic areas efficiently. Compact and waterproof, it is easy to carry and store in backpacks. Ideal for camping, hiking, or emergencies, providing reliable lighting wherever you go. Number 24. Villi Folding Camping Table. Villi Folding Camping Table is a sturdy, lightweight, and portable table designed for outdoor use. Its foldable design allows easy setup and storage, perfect for camping, picnics, or tailgating. Durable materials ensure stability for cookware, food, or equipment. Compact enough to carry in backpacks or cars, it provides a reliable surface for meals, cooking, or organizing supplies while enjoying outdoor adventures. Number 25. Candle Lighter Electric Plasma. Candle Lighter Electric Plasma is a flameless, windproof, and rechargeable lighter ideal for candles, stoves, or small campfires. Plasma Arc technology delivers a consistent spark without gas or traditional flame. USB charging makes it eco-friendly and convenient for outdoor use. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into camping kits or pockets. Safe, durable, and efficient, this lighter ensures reliable fire whenever needed. Number 26. Hyrameco Camping String Lights. Hyrameco Camping String Lights provide soft, energy-efficient illumination for tents, campsites, or backyard spaces. Lightweight and portable, they're easy to hang and adjust for optimal lighting. Durable construction ensures long-lasting outdoor use. Multiple lighting modes offer flexibility for ambiance or practical use. Perfect for campers, hikers, or outdoor enthusiasts who want reliable and decorative lighting in all outdoor conditions. Number 27. DRLI Leland Survival Multi-Tool. DRLI Leland Survival Multi-Tool is a compact, versatile tool designed for outdoor adventures. It includes pliers, knives, screwdrivers, and other essential tools in one durable package. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it withstands tough conditions while remaining lightweight and portable. Perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency situations, this multi-tool ensures you're prepared for any challenge outdoors. Number 28. Jolly Green Marshmallow Sticks. Jolly Green Marshmallow Sticks are durable, lightweight, and safe roasting sticks for camping or backyard fires. Made from heat-resistant materials, they allow easy roasting of marshmallows, hot dogs, or other treats. Telescopic design ensures adjustable length for safety and convenience. Portable and easy to clean, these sticks make camping or bonfire nights fun and stress-free for all ages. Number 29. Bella Tuella Barbecue Lighter and Lamp. Blower Bella Tuella Barbecue Lighter and Lamp. Blower combines a flameless lighter with a compact air blower for starting fires efficiently. Rechargeable and lightweight, it provides a windproof flame for grills, stoves, or campfires. The blower helps ignite coals quickly while remaining safe and portable. Ideal for outdoor cooking, camping, or backyard barbecues. This tool makes fire starting easier and more convenient. Number 30. Elecom Nest Out LED Panel Light. Elecom Nest Out LED Panel Light is a compact, lightweight, and energy-efficient lamp for camping or outdoor use. Its bright LED illumination lights up tents, campsites, or work areas effectively. Foldable and portable, it fits easily in backpacks. Durable construction ensures long-term outdoor use, while adjustable brightness settings provide flexibility. Perfect for campers, hikers, or emergency lighting needs. Number 31. 4 Monster Camping Towel. The 4 Monster Camping Towel is lightweight, quick-drying, and highly absorbent, perfect for outdoor adventures. Its compact design allows easy packing in backpacks or tents without taking much space. Made from durable microfiber material, it's gentle on the skin yet strong enough for repeated use. Ideal for camping, hiking, swimming, or gym trips. This towel keeps you dry efficiently. Easy to clean and resistant to odors, it's a practical and convenient essential for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 32. Electric Candle Lighter. Natter The with the Reedy. The electric candle lighter provides a flameless, windproof, and rechargeable solution for lighting candles or small campfires. Its plasma arc technology ensures a reliable spark every time without the need for gas. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in pockets or camping kits. USB rechargeable design makes it eco-friendly and convenient. Safe, efficient, and durable, this lighter is perfect for indoor use, camping, or emergency situations where a quick, dependable flame is needed. Number 33. Nice Camping Kitchen Station. Nice Camping Kitchen Station offers a complete, portable cooking setup for outdoor adventures. With dedicated shelves, drawers, and compartments, it keeps cookware, utensils, and ingredients organized. Lightweight yet sturdy, it can be easily transported for car camping or tailgate trips. The design allows easy assembly and setup, making meal prep fast and convenient. Perfect for campers who enjoy cooking outdoors, this station combines practicality, organization, and durability in one compact package. Number 34. Nyangita Cheese Board Set. Nyangita Cheese Board Set is an elegant and portable serving solution for outdoor picnics or camping meals. Made from high-quality wood, it includes a cutting board, cheese knives, and storage slots for utensils. Its compact design makes it easy to pack and transport, perfect for sharing snacks or charcuterie at campsites, beach trips, or backyard gatherings. Durable and stylish, this set adds convenience and sophistication to any outdoor dining experience. Number 35. Odolin Camping Cookware. Kit OLIGHT Camping Cookware Kit includes essential pots, pans, and utensils for outdoor cooking. Made from lightweight, durable materials, it's perfect for backpacking, camping, or picnic use. The nesting design ensures compact storage, saving space in backpacks. Non-stick surfaces make cooking and cleaning easy even in outdoor conditions. Designed for versatility and convenience, this cookware kit allows campers to prepare meals efficiently while enjoying nature. Number 36. HSM or Campfire Grill. HSM or Campfire Grill provides a sturdy and portable solution for outdoor cooking over open flames. Its foldable frame allows easy storage and transport. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant materials, it supports heavy cookware and withstands repeated use. Perfect for grilling meats, vegetables, or marshmallows while camping, hiking, or beach bonfires. Lightweight design and simple setup make it a must-have for campers who enjoy outdoor cooking. Number 37. Tafeto Camping String Lights. Tafeto Camping String Lights offer bright, energy-efficient illumination for tents, campsites, or backyard gatherings. Lightweight and portable, they are easy to hang and adjust. Built for durability, these string lights withstand outdoor conditions while providing warm and consistent lighting. Multiple lighting modes allow flexibility for ambiance or task lighting. Ideal for enhancing camping nights, these lights combine practicality and aesthetic appeal for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 38. Sunny Days Outdoor Fire Pit. Sunny Days Outdoor Fire Pit is a durable, easy-to-assemble solution for backyard or campsite gathering. Its metal construction ensures long-lasting heat resistance, while the elevated bowl design provides safe and controlled flames, perfect for roasting marshmallows, grilling, or simply enjoying an outdoor fire. Lightweight enough for transport, but sturdy for stability, it adds both warmth and ambiance. Ideal for camping, picnics, or backyard entertainment. Number 39. Fanho Fire Pit Ring. Fanho Fire Pit Ring is a portable and sturdy metal ring designed for safe outdoor fires. It contains flames, preventing sparks from spreading and protecting surrounding areas. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to transport and set up at campsites or outdoor spaces. Ideal for roasting, cooking, or creating a cozy campfire atmosphere. Resistant to high temperatures and weather conditions, this fire pit ring is a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 40. Renaji Camping Power Bank. Renaji Camping Power Bank is a high-capacity, portable energy solution for charging devices during outdoor adventures. Its durable, compact design makes it easy to carry in backpacks or tents. Equipped with multiple USB ports, it can charge phones, cameras, and other electronic devices simultaneously. Long battery life ensures reliable power for extended trips. Ideal for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. This power bank provides peace of mind and convenient off-grid energy. Number 41. Starblue Rocket Stove. Starblue Rocket Stove is a compact, efficient cooking stove designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Its insulated design maximizes fuel efficiency, using sticks or small biomass to produce high heat with minimal smoke. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or survival situations. Durable construction ensures long-term use, while its easy assembly and operation simplify cooking outdoors. A reliable and eco-friendly stove for those seeking convenience and performance in the wilderness. Number 42. The OLIGHT Portable Camping Toilet. The OLIGHT Portable Camping Toilet provides a hygienic and convenient solution for outdoor trips. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to set up in tents, RVs, or remote campsites. Durable construction ensures stability and long-term use. Removable waste containers simplify cleaning and maintenance. Ideal for campers who prioritize comfort and sanitation, this portable toilet makes outdoor adventures more convenient without sacrificing hygiene or practicality. Number 43. Hydrant Camping Kitchen Organizer. Hydrant Camping Kitchen Organizer keeps cooking utensils, spices, and cookware neatly arranged for outdoor meals. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to transport and set up at campsites. Multiple compartments allow organized storage of kitchen essentials. Durable material withstands outdoor conditions and repeated use. Perfect for campers who want efficiency, convenience, and clean organization during cooking outdoors. Number 44. Homquen Camping Utensil Set. Homquen Camping Utensil Set includes forks, spoons, knives, and cooking tools made for outdoor use. Lightweight, durable, and portable, it fits easily in backpacks or camping kits. Made with high-quality materials, the utensils are easy to clean and resistant to wear. Perfect for camping, picnics, or backpacking meals. Combining convenience, reliability, and portability, this set ensures you are fully equipped for any outdoor dining situation. Number 45. Vever Camping Kitchen Table. Vever Camping Kitchen Table offers a sturdy and versatile workspace for outdoor cooking and dining. Foldable design allows easy transport and storage, while durable materials provide stability for pots, pans, and other equipment. Perfect for car camping, picnics, or tailgate events, this table simplifies meal preparation and organization. Lightweight yet strong, it's an essential accessory for campers who want a reliable surface while enjoying the outdoors. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. These 45 secret Amazon camping gadgets you need to check out can upgrade every outdoor adventure. Check the description for links and gear up for your next trip today.